Hi guys, it's great to have you guys once again on my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an update for those who have previously applied for different projects on Appen International, right? So kindly stay tuned and watch this video to the very end as I show you important updates that is going to help you to get the projects that you have been waiting for, right? So depending on the country you're watching this video, then stick and watch this video to the end so that you're not going to miss out on what I'm going to be sharing with you, right? So as you're looking at my screen, this is an email that was received on my projects on Appen. So you're going to see, to meet updated compliance and legal requirements, all contributors must complete 2 quick identity verification step by May 23rd, 2025. All right, so I'm sharing this update so that you are not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, so how do you get started? So if you receive this email, so make sure that once you have registered and you have signed up on Appen Connect, then you have opportunity to receive emails regarding getting the job, and you may have applied for different projects on their website. All right, so you are going to receive this email to sign the consent form, update your government issued ID card, take a clear front facing photo of yourself using your phone or webcam, passport style photo, enter your full date of birth for verification. All right, so this is going to give you an opportunity to get a previous project you have applied and you are expecting to get onboarded to start working on the job. All right, so just like I said, this is working for each and every one of you who have successfully applied for different projects. All right, so how do you get to pass this verification step? So let me go over to my dashboard. So once you log in into app.crowdgen.com, you are going to input your email and your password, and it's going to take you to your dashboard. All right, so once you click on your dashboard, you are going to see qualification. So click on qualification and you are going to see Appen identity verification. So once you click on Appen identity verification, it's going to bring you to this page. All right, so you have to take the assessment and you are good to go. Right, so the first one is to Appen identity verification requirement. So once you click this, you are going to scroll down. In my own part, I've passed this, so you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to accept the Appen identity verification requirements. That means you have signed to accept this identity requirement. All right, so you're going to accept it. Then your government ID card, you may not have attended this part, so this part is for you to upload your identity ID card, either your national ID card, your driver's license, your international passport. For those who are in other countries, you know what I'm referring to, right? So kindly upload a clear picture of your government issued ID card for you to be able to pass this step. All right, so it does take less than 15 minutes to complete. So once you have passed it, you are going to see passed or previously passed, depending on what is on your dashboard. All right, so the last step is compliance check, which is the most important. So on this part, you are going to click on continue, and you are going to be asked to take to verify your facial identity. So most times the person that applied for the project or that applied to sign up for this company, which is Appen, must be the same person that is going to complete this compliance check, because they want to know that you are the right person who is applying for the job. All right, so you're going to take a clear photo of yourself by clicking continue, and you're going to verify your identity. All right, so once you are done with that, you may be seeing current. Once you complete the compliance check, it's going to show you thank you. So once you see thank you, then you have completed it successfully. All right, so those are the 3 different steps that you are going to need to complete your qualification step forward to verify your identity. Just like I said in the beginning of this video, if you receive that email, kindly go over and do what I explained in these 3 simple steps. All right, so if you have any question, don't forget to go to the comment section and ask questions regarding this. And for those who have applied for different projects, then just stick to your email, because so far so good. They have been sharing different jobs for those who have successfully applied and onboarded on Appen Connect successfully. All right, so I wish you guys all the best. Don't forget to subscribe if you're here to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video so that most people can get opportunity. And also, if you have been watching my video and you have benefited from different project opportunities or anything you have benefited so far, don't forget to go to the comment section and share your experience and share your testimony so that more people can benefit from such experiences on this project or on the job. All right, so I wish you guys all the very best, and I'll be seeing you guys in my very next video. Enjoy.